एक ऐसा घर जो सिर्फ अच्छा दिखता नहीं बल्कि इंटेलिजेंटली डिजाइंड है। मैक्सिमम नेचुरल लाइट, एक्सीलेंट क्रॉस वेंटिलेशन और यूनिट्स के बीच में इनफ स्पेस। स्टेप इनटू कोड नेम नितारा बाय रोहन बिल्डर्स। Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video, we are revealing the teaser of codename Nitara, which is located in Nande, Mahalunge, Pune. As you can see, I'm at the actual location and behind me is the sales office. और sales office के आगे आपको मिल जाती है नांदे रोड, जो लेफ्ट साइड से कनेक्ट करती है महालुंगे और राइट साइड से कनेक्ट करती है चांदे. In this video, we will be discussing below points such as project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before diving into the project, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, where if you do an inquiry, your number share with the other brokers, resulting lots of calls. Housey connects you directly with the builders, which means transparent pricing, genuine information and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today through Housey. Now let's break down the project overview and see what makes this development truly stand out. This project will be constructed on 3 acres of land parcel with 4 towers, which includes 3-level podium parking plus 20 floors, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let us discuss the location and the connectivity of this project. As you can see, behind me is the Chande Nande bridge. This project is located in Nande, Mahalunge, Pune. With an excellent connectivity, you will get Delhi Public School 2 kilometers, Mahalunge Circle 2.6 kilometers and Man Road 4.2 kilometers away. Now let us discuss the amenities, as every amenities is planned to create spaces where families can enjoy, grow and connect together. This project has 35 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, clubhouse, kids play area, jogging track, gym and many more. Planning to buy a new home? तो मेरा एक स्ट्रॉन्ग रिकमेंडेशन है, हाउसी के राइट्स ऑफ होम बायर सीरीज ज़रूर देखिए. बहुत से होम बायर्स को उनके राइट्स के बारे में पता नहीं होता, चाहे वो बिल्डर कैंसिलेशन डिडक्शन हो या कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड लीकेज रिलेटेड इश्यूज. हमने सिंपल और इजी लैंग्वेज में सब कुछ एक्सप्लेन किया है, तो होम बाय करने से पहले इस सीरीज को ज़रूर देखिए, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस द कार्पेट एरिया ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट. This project has 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies, where 1 BHK with a limited option has 417 to 459 square feet, 2 BHK has 608 to 914 square feet and 3 BHK has 918 to 1078 square feet carpet area. Now let us discuss the booking process. Project token window will be going to open on 10th of July 2026. Client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project details with the help of the 3D model. They will share the payment and the pricing scheme. Also, they will be going to show the actual location. If the client likes the project, they can proceed with the token process. Now, the story has just begun. Let's wait for the launch before making a final call. But the first impression looks very promising. So everyone, this was a teaser of codename Nitara, which is located in Mahalunge, Pune and developed by Rohan Builders. For more information about this project, please click the below link and download your e-brochures and price sheet. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel and book your dream home today through Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.